He's very passionate about education. And I just want to say up front, you are so lucky to be visited by him. If you think whatever that is going to say to you, there's one thing that I know. You are doing great work for the very first time. And to get our experience, you need elders to advise you. You will be able to advise you when you start to do the let us take the point that ngihamba no ngikhuluma ngo-director general DG makaDG mhlawumbe ngoba nimbone ekhuluma lapha kuthini eyakhuluma lobakhuluma ama-results uzokhuluma futhi masephuma wenu asazi ukuthi obe njani kodwa manibambele into ayishoyo azobe right akahambi yedwa ubaba uqale ngikushilo umuntu ahamba naye khona ezothi maselithakele enze kahle uhamba no-director wakhe umama uMatawule bese kuba communication esihamba nawo from province niyobona nje communication nje ukuthi our DG is ubaba ohloniphekile wamina ngikwazi ngisho ukuthi kangaka ngibathi ngiyamhlebela kodwa wethini awukwazi ukuphoxa sekwehla umuntu omkhulu wenza kwena ujibulana ela ukusukumisa ukhethekile uDG wethu ubaba uMweni
Sanibonani. Yebo. Minjani? Siyaphila wena. You look amazing. Thank you. Bright and beautiful. Neat and clean. Is it how you look every day? Yes. I suspect it's only for today. No. Okay, outing Bingelelo, Mama Ndombela, the district head of the district, that is on its move to becoming one of the top 10 districts in the country. Do you know who province number 1 is when it comes to the matric results? Yes. Ubani? KZN. Yes. Was only Tinta this year, ne? Yes. Okay. Outing Bingelele no Ticho Mkhulu. Siyabingelela Ticho Mkhulu. And the entire school management team, no teacher, and the district management team of Herikwala district. So I'm here, Ukuluma, Nuggets. Nipatele umpa. Yawazi umpa? Yes. 5 nuggets for academic achievement. That's the topic. 5 nuggets for academic achievement. 5 nuggets for academic achievement. 5 nuggets for academic achievement. Nipalile? Yes. 5 nuggets for academic achievement. Now, lalelani ke. Manika Jilupa. Schools that get 100% pass rate and 100% bachelors. I've been meeting with them for more than 10 years. In this way, like I'm meeting with you, grade 12 learners of those schools. And these schools have been saying to me, I met with some of them January, February, even part of March. They were saying to me, we are still getting 100% pass rate and we are still getting 100% bachelors. One of them said to me, in 2020, 25, we got more than 700 distinctions. More than 700 distinctions. And grade 12 learners of those schools, learners who are in matric, are doing the following 5 things without fail. Number 1, write it down. Come to school every day, be in class on time and all the times. Come to school every day, be in class ngesikhathi sonke. Angithi? Yes. That's what grade 12 learners are doing there. They come to school every day, they are in class on time and all the time. If it happens that you don't come and your parents don't report to Tijonkul, the grade 12 learners, they go and fetch you. In my home language, sithi bayokufungula. Ngazi ngithini ngesizulu. Bayokulanda. Ya abakulandi nje bakufungula. They take you out. They tell whoever is around and say, our 100% is here. Ila, 100% here. Sisoilanda. Doesn't belong here. It belongs to our school. If you are at your home, they tell your parents that Sizolanda 100% here to mama, baba. Go and see the principal, deregister your child. Because in our school we are working for 100%. That's one? Yes. They defend and protect their 100% jealously. Jealously. It's because they really need it desperately. See as one? Yes. If you come late, all of them will say, "Speak some for it. Hey, what can you do? You are playing with our 100% if you come late. Right? Yes. Number 2, write down. Pay attention to what the teachers are saying and doing during every lesson. Pay attention to what the teachers are saying and doing during every lesson. Pay attention to what the teachers are saying and doing during every lesson. That's what the grade 12 learners do. They pay attention to what the teachers are saying and doing during every lesson. When the teachers are teaching, they listen attentively. See as one? Yes. When the teachers are busy explaining and say from this point to that point, from this angle to that angle, from this step to this one, they observe. They observe carefully. And it? Yes. Expect as on mind and brain. Aspects of the mind and the brain are called neuroscientists. Neuroscientists. They say when we listen attentively and observe carefully from the beginning up to the end of the lesson, you build a solid foundation for your memory. When you go and study on your own, you start saying, oh, I get taller much. Huh? Because you were listening and observing. And it? Yes. When you write your classwork, your test and exam, you are able to give the correct answers. Because you were listening and observing. Number 3, write down. Follow your personal study timetable. Follow your personal study timetable from Monday to Sunday. Follow your personal study timetable from Monday to Sunday. studying at least 2 subjects per day. Studying at least 2 subjects per day for a minimum of 6 hours. Follow your personal study timetable from Monday to Sunday, studying at least 2 subjects per day for a minimum of 6 hours. Nitoli? Yes. Follow your personal study timetable from Monday to Sunday, studying at least 2 subjects per day for a minimum of
6 hours.
Is it too much?
No.
6 hours. I love your attitude. Give yourselves a big hand of applause. There are 24 hours in a day. Do you know that?
Yes.
Whether you come from a rich or a poor family, we all get 24 hours. Siyambonga uNkulunkulu. The rich can't use their money to buy more time for their children. That's why children from poor families can also perform better than children from rich families. Because we all have 24 hours.
Yes.
You minus 6 hours from 24, you remain with 18 hours. Right?
Yes.
And normal sleep for a normal human being is how many hours maximum? 8 hours. Anyone who sleeps for more than 8 hours, they belong to a place called Ematune. That's why we take you there and say rest in peace. In fact, I say you can sleep as much as you want. Angit?
Yes.
So a grade 12 learner can actually sleep for 6 hours and still be fine and use the other 2 hours invested in his or her studies. Is that fine?
Yes.
Remember, the warmer the blankets, the colder the future. And the colder the blanket,
The warmer the future.
the longer you sleep, the faster and further your future drifts away from you. When you wake up from your comfortable sleep, maybe even snoring, your classmates and subject mates will be gone. You meet with them in your next phase of life. You'll be lucky. They might be your supervisors or your employer. Why? Because when you chose to warm your blankets, they warm their
Future.
life is fair. Says what?
Yes.
3.1. Write down. Out of 6 hours, use at least 3 hours to study and prepare per subject per day. Out of 6 hours, use at least 3 hours to study and prepare per subject per day. Out of 6 hours, use at least 3 hours to study and prepare per subject per day. Nibhalile?
Yes.
Laba bashonisana ngepene baba. Lo akana pene. You are like a soldier going to the battlefield without being equipped. You die before you reach the battlefield. Says what?
Yes.
Out of 6 hours, use at least 3 hours to study and prepare per subject per day. 3.2. Out of 3 hours, use 1 hour for reading per subject per day. Ngikwenzela lula, very easy. Mina ngifuna ama-distinctions kuphela mantombi. Yama nama-distinctions. Sengikhathele ngaba bantu bapasa nje. Asidelisa nangabelungu. Ingane zabelungu sama-distinction ezethi ingane azinama-distinctions. Hayi madoda, hayi. 3.2, out of 3 hours, use 1 hour for reading per subject per day. Angithi?
Yes.
Ipalile?
Yes.
Yeah. Lalelani ke. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. Is it too much?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, for you to use 1 hour to benefit you, you need discipline of the highest level. Discipline of the highest level. And this is how you exercise discipline. Your eyes must be on what you are reading only. Your mind must be forever ready to receive what comes through the eyes into the mind. See as well?
Yes.
Your hand must write what the mind says this is an important point. That's how you read as part of your style. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Eyes on the text, mind receptive, hand writing the most important points for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you put your reading materials aside. Disciplined. You are done. And it?
Yes.
But now inking. The problem is that after reading for 1 hour, you have no evidence or proof. It is that reading for 1 hour has benefited you. You don't have. That's the problem. See as what?
Yes.
Now what do you do? Because you have no proof. And you must get proof, at least that you have benefited from reading for 1 hour.
Yes.
Now, out of 3 hours, you've used 1 hour for reading, right?
Yes.
How many hours remain? You still have 2 hours.
Yes.
3.3. Write down. For the remaining 2 hours, take questions from previous question papers. For the remaining 2 hours, take questions from previous question papers. For the remaining 2 hours, take questions from previous question papers. Based on a topic or topics. For the remaining 2 hours, what do? Take questions from previous question papers based on a topic or topics. For the remaining 2 hours, take questions from previous question papers based on a topic or topics. Based on a topic or topics that you have been reading or studying about. Based on a topic or topics that you have been reading or studying about. And answer them on your own. And answer them on your own. Which means without any assistance. For the remaining 2 hours, what do? Take questions from previous question papers based on a topic or topics that you have been reading or studying about and answer them on your own, which means without any assistance. Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Now, open bracket at the end of 3.3. Open bracket, put an open bracket, and this is what you write. This is called practice, and practice makes perfect. Right?
Yes.
This is called what? Practice. And practice makes? In other words, when you answer questions from previous question papers, based on a topic or topic that you've been reading or studying about, and you do that on your own without any assistance, you are practicing. And you are practicing answering questions correctly.
Yes.
Now, let me say, maybe you've answered 2 essay questions. And on those 2 essay questions, maybe one of them you answered correctly, or half of both you've answered correctly. You can show on it what you have gained from reading for 1 hour and what you still need to improve. You get it?
Yes.
You don't wait for the classwork or the test or the exam from the teacher. Now, whilst you are waiting for the classwork, the test, or the exam of the teacher, you are improving in the meantime. When you go and write the classwork, the test, or the exam, you have improved. When you get there, the teacher gets surprised. Because practice makes perfect. You might actually get 48 out of 50. Because you are practicing, and practice makes. You get it?
Yes.
And guess what? When you read for 1 hour and practice for 2 hours, you are preparing for 3 things at the same time. The classwork, the test, and the exam. Doing one thing. You get it?
Yes.
And if you do it properly, you are ready for all 3 of them. If the teacher says, tomorrow classwork, you say, I've been practicing. I'm more than ready. Right?
Yes.
3.4. Use the memorandums to mark your answers. Use the memorandums to mark your answers. Use the memorandums to mark your answers. You got it?
Yes.
Now, when you mark your answers, you'll find that some of them you got them right, and some maybe you got wrong. No problem, it's part of practice, and
Yes.
and then some maybe you didn't even remember the answer. But you don't take the answer as is from the memorandum. You use the memorandum as a guide. You go back to what you were reading for 1 hour and say, where did I miss the answer? Right? And you read it as you go down and find it and confirm it from the memorandum, it gets into your memory. You can only remember what got into your memory. And it?
Yes.
It's like putting money in the bank. You can only draw what you have put in there. The same applies to knowledge and skills. And it?
Yes.
Let's go back to 3.2. Read 3.2. It says, out of
3 hours, to use 1 hour for reading the subjects per day.
open bracket and write the following. The number of hours you use for reading. The number of hours you use for reading. Multiply by 2 to get the number of hours you need to practice. The number of hours you use for reading. Multiply by what? By 2 to get the number of hours you need for practice. You've got it? The number of hours you use for reading. What do? You multiply by 2 to get what? The number of hours you need for practice. Angeti. Have you written it down?
Yes.
Have you been writing common tests? Have you been writing tests?
Yes.
How did you find the question papers? Fairly straightforward, ain't it?
Yes.
The questions in the question papers, they were straightforward, isn't it? Or were there problems with the questions?
No.
There were no problems, ain't it?
Yes.
What problem did you experience? Is giving answers to some of the questions, isn't it?
Yes.
The questions are straightforward. The problem are the answers. And what it means is that you did not practice enough to put enough answers in your memory. So that when you read the question, the answer is able to come out of your memory and then you write it. See as one?
Yes.
Let me assume that you needed 3 hours to prepare for the papers that you were writing. See as one?
Yes.
How many hours are you going to need to practice for what you were reading for 3 hours?
6 hours.
6 hours, isn't it?
Yes.
How did you get it? You multiply 3 hours of reading by
2.
and then it gave you
6.
That's the amount of time you need to practice. And as you practice, you also mark your answers. And as you mark them, you are putting more and more answers into your memory. When you write your classwork, your test or exam, When you look at the question, the answers come because we have put them in here. See as one?
Yes.
Number 4. Use the materials that you have to study and prepare per subject per day. Use the materials that you have to study and prepare per subject per day. Use the materials that you have to study and prepare per subject per day. 4.1. Are you there?
Yes.
4.1. Notes from all your lessons. Notes from all your lessons. 4.1. Notes from all your lessons. Have you written them down?
Yes.
4.1 is notes from all your lessons. I want you to be honest with yourself and be honest with me. Have you been writing notes for every lesson that you've been getting?
Yes.
Yes. I can see when you're not telling me the truth. I'm a trained teacher. I can see when a learner is not telling me the truth. Huh? Are you telling me the truth?
Yes.
I can see. Some of you are saying no. And thank you for being honest. From today, write notes for every lesson. Yes, what?
Yes.
Stop copying notes from people who can't read their own handwriting. Yes, what?
Yes.
There are such people. Do you know that?
Yes.
They can't read what they have written. And you eat their poison. Write your own notes with your own handwriting. Yes, what?
Yes.
4.2. Textbook, comma, study guide, comma, and examination guidelines. Textbook, comma, study guide, comma, and examination guidelines. Textbook, comma, study guide, comma, and examination guidelines. A good textbook covers enough information for the whole subject. I mean, a good study guide gives a summary of all the important points and topics in the subject.
Yes.
Then as an examination guideline gives you topics that you need to cover and how to cover them for you to be ready for the exam. That's why those 3 are very important. Yes, what?
Yes.
4.3. Handouts from teachers. You get handouts from your teachers?
Yes.
Yes, you do get them. I know they do give handouts. They don't give them every lesson. Yeah. Keep them safe and make use of them when you study and prepare every day. Yes, one?
Yes.
4.4. Previous question papers and memorandums. 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 Open bracket, and this is what you write in the open bracket. Practice at least with previous question papers of the last 5 years per paper. Practice at least with previous question papers of the last 5 years per paper. Practice at least with previous question papers of the last 5 years. Practice at least with previous question papers of the last 5 years per paper before writing your final year exams. Practice at least with previous question papers of the last 5 years per paper before writing your final year exams. Nipalil?
Yes.
Yeah. Is it possible? to practice with previous question papers of the last 5 years? It's May, June, and then October, November. Do you know that? And then you start with 2025, 2024, 2023, 2022, and 2021. Huh? Is it possible? Or is it too much? Very easy. Very easy. Out in your combis, 3.3. For the remaining, come on, go to 3.3. What is it saying? For the remaining?
For the remaining 2 hours.
What do you do? Take questions from where? Previous question papers. And if you do that every day, every week, every month, the whole year, you are sorted, man. Come August, September, you'll be saying, when are the exams? The top learner of 2024 got 97% average pass. 97. Out of 7 subjects, 6 of the subjects, Lomfan Watola, 300 out of 306 of them. So, what kind of a human being is this one? And the boy answered and said, credit goes to the 5 nuggets. And he said, thank you very much for your 5 nuggets. But I want to tell you, I want to be honest with you. For my education, my future, and my life, I've invested more than 6 hours than the 6 hours that you had recommended. Remember, do you know that 6 hours is 1/4 of 24? Do you know that? Yes. 1/4 of 24, which means it's a quarter. Do you know that? Eh? Okay, but 4.5, digital materials. Digital materials. Digital materials. Digital materials. Digital materials. E.g., YouTube videos. Yayazi niyathanda my YouTube videos, angithi? Sometimes you think that they are textbooks, and they are not. They are supplementary information, angithi? Number 5. Number 5. Number 4.5. Digital materials, e.g., YouTube videos. Number 5. Be your sister or brother's keeper. Be your sister or brother's keeper. Be your sister or brother's keeper. Have you written it down?
Yes.
La. What does it mean to be your sister or brother's keeper? Who wants to tell me? What does it mean? Do you know? You're not sure? Okay. 5.1. Now, before I give you the answers on 5.1, schools that get 100% pass rate and 100% bachelors, grade 12 learners of these schools do the following 5 things without fail. 5.1, write it down. Take care of each other. Take care of each other. In other words, bayanakekelana. Is it what you say in isiZulu? Yes. They take care of each other. Huh? They don't say, no. Take care of each other. Because you want 100% on it. Yes. Yeah. 5.2. Protect one another, especially against wrongdoing. Protect one another. You must be able to say, when are you going to focus on your studies? Because you are wasting your time and our 100% is in trouble. You are protecting Sfiso against wrongdoing, which is going to affect you. Yeah. Protect one another, especially against wrongdoing. 5.3. Support each other. No one is left behind. Support each other. Even the weaker ones amongst you, you don't leave them behind. You need them, 400%. Support each other. Support each other. 5.4. Teach each other. Some of you know some topics better than others, You teach them what you know, they'll also teach you what you are struggling with, All of you benefit. Do you know that when you teach somebody, you learn, and you learn a lot? 5.5. Learn from one another. Learn from one another. Nobody knows everything. Even the brightest amongst you don't know everything. Do you know that? 5.6. Instill discipline within yourself and amongst yourselves. Instill discipline within yourself and amongst yourselves. Discipline is of and then after that, once you are a role model of a disciplined grade 12 learner, you help others to be disciplined. Instill discipline within yourself and amongst yourselves. Instill discipline within yourself and amongst yourselves. Got it? Yes. So, Teacher Good, that they are struggling with handwriting. They are struggling with because when the teachers were teaching handwriting in primary school, they spend most of the time Emma toilets. These guys. Now they are battling with their handwriting. So Venkela Uguchi over printed for A3 paper. It must be pasted in Namatiselwe on the wall of every classroom. Bible. Mabangena every day. And the whole day, before you go home, you go and check the nuggets. See as well? Yes. And then over printed number 3 copies. A4 much. A4 is the size of this. Yeah. 3 copies each one of them. And then the first copy, they must paste it on the door. The door. Fridge. I'm told they like going to the fridge, these guys. So before they open the fridge, right? And the second copy must be pasted in Namatisele close to their pillow. The first thing you talk to Mama, and then the last copy must be pasted inside the door. Namathisebela ngaphakathi komnyango wetoilet. Inside the door, the toilet at home. Uvala the toilet. Whatever you do inside the toilet, it's a matter between you, Namanake. God bless you.
So, thank you very much.
Okay.
Was
okay. What's
matric learners and the school as a whole, I would like to extend my warmest greetings and heartfelt thanks to our esteemed visitors, principal, and the teachers, and the room at large. I greet you all. Today we are honored to have you here sharing our time. Your presence inspires and motivates us as learners to strive for greatness and for the best. I'd like to sincerely express my heartfelt gratitude to the entire department for your continuous support, dedication, and hard work. The professionalism and passion you consistently demonstrated. I'm genuinely thankful for the guidance, patience, and encouragement you have shown to us. Thank you for believing in us and for being the role models to experience and dedication. Thank you.
Singishiya ne-profit. Usuku lweni namhlanje lokuthi nitshelwe kahle ukuthi no grade 4 wait because azazi ukufunda. Eduze kwami ukhona u-Chief Director from province, uMama uza Njakazi. Is going to review kwenta niphathele yona. Yezwa abantu abafuna. Mina ke sengibona ngale mase ngibone analysis. Sengibhalile ngathi. Sengibona sengibhase kanjani ngoba ngiyanithemba. All the best, yes? Sanibonani? Yebo. Sanibonani? Yebo. Njani? Siyaphila. Nibahle. Siyabonga. Kufana nama-results enu ka-2026. Yabazwa? Yes. Sengizwile ngithi uTiji? Yes. Ekhuluma ngani? Academic achievements. I like that. There is quietness. Only you and them. So nobody's going to disturb you when we are dealing with those nuggets, okay? Yes. I want to draw your attention to what the DG said when he was outlining how are you going to study. The method of studying it, which is read and practice, right? Yes. If I may ask, how many hours do you have to read for a subject, one subject? 1 hour. How many hours you've got to practice? 2 hours. And that means each subject has got how many hours? 3 hours. That's it. How many subjects a day? 2 hours. How many subjects a day? 2 subjects. Good. I like the way you answer when you say 2 subjects. I always say this to all learners. Last year, those that are doing geography, there was an extract from the geography paper where some of the learners answered, like giving to how many this, then learners say 2, without saying 2 what? Eh? Yes. The argument was up and down, but finally, the decision that was taken is that those who did not say 2 of what, those marks must not be given to them. Yes. Yes. When you answer as if the person you are writing to doesn't know anything when was it. Ungashuthi hayi vele uyazazi ukuthi ubuzeni. Mangithe ukuthi ngishona leyo nto leyo bekade asenze kanjani. Sizwa? Yes. That's very important. So what I want to say, when you are practicing, what we have discovered as a province is that most of the learners are not failing because they don't study. You should have studied, But when you get in the exam room and you answer your questions, you don't answer the question the manner in which they are asked. Those instructions, those commands, when you are asked to give an answer, you don't follow the commands. You just give the information that you know. And most of that, there's a lot here. We have come up with this booklet. This booklet, we start issuing it in 2023, 2024, 2025. Yours is coming, but before yours comes, I want to introduce you to the content of this booklet because this is your passport to 100% pass, to bachelor passes, 100% bachelor passes, and distinctions. Says one? Yes. What is your target? I like that. But Ulonyaga, let me tell you, Ulonyaga, we are not worried about who's going to fail because nobody's going to fail, okay? Yes. But we are worried about quality. This year it's a year, last year kona sinyusa ama levels. Sinyusa ama levels. I am a levels. Ama levels. Sinyusa ama levels. Askulum loto. Sinyusa ama levels. 100% punch, 100% bachelors, and distinctions. You know what I'm saying? Yes. So as I'm explaining this, it's because I want us to get there. Because now we don't talk about Ubandos of Folina. Really? Yes. Yeah. KZN I couldn't Ubando Fela, I couldn't use some other words. 100% pass, 100% bachelor pass. For you to get a bachelor pass, how many subjects should you perform at 50% plus? 4. This is your basket. In this basket, already there are 2 subjects. What are those subjects? And English. It means your basket, as I'm talking to you, it is half full. Abanye already, for term 1, the basket is full. They've passed at a bachelor pass. You get what I'm saying? Yes. Others, they are about to. But let us push ourselves. Let us push ourselves. And when we target, Mandabam, we don't target 50%, we are targeting level 7. Level 7. Nothing else. Should you fall from level 7, you still have level 6 and you are comfortable. Should you fall from level 6, you still have your level 5. But must we have level 5, Sinjani? Yeah. So tell you level 4, so tell you level 3, so tell you level 2, and that's going to be a case 1. In achieving that, we came up with this booklet, and this booklet has worked for the previous classes. Those that have used it, it worked for them. Can the ultimate film I try to be first comment is one of those? No, this one is your passport. 200% pass, it's your passport to bachelor pass, is also your passport to distinction. There is a basket of distinctions, ne? Distinctions are matched. And it's a care kumfunde case and on a fanela 20 distinctions in that. Is it place we found 1? 2. It's a start to high orientation. Those 3 all must get. Ama distinctions ala. Aboyisikhathi amasimile. Ufuna ukwakha ukama fruit. Ameranje ama distinctions. Awukubelise esihlahleni wakho umile lapho. Little effort to get there, but it means you must be consistent. Consistency is the part of the game. You must be consistent. Every day. And that every day. Yes. It says the Jan said that dish. Okay? Yes. The read, the practice every day. These distinctions are just here, close by. Says one. So then, this booklet is going to assist you because in it, there's something that we call action verbs. What are the action verbs? Action verbs are instructions from the examiner to you to action something. It's a command. The examiner will say to you, analyze, or categorize, or differentiate. Those are commands, right? Yes. For you to do. Because what we have discovered, which they don't know the difference between this and that. When you are asked to do this, a person will do another thing. You are asked to categorize, but you will analyze. You are asked to differentiate, you don't differentiate, you do another thing. You understand? So all of these action verbs are here, starting from the simple ones as what? List, name. Even if you think you know what each one means, but before, you must go also, when you are practicing, you must come and do reference, just to check with, is my understanding in line with this booklet? You get what I'm saying? If you do that and you do it consistently, I'm telling you, practice makes perfect. Because when I want to figure out September, you'll be more than ready to write your examination. And when we are practicing, DG said you must practice using exam question papers of the past 5 years. Ne? Yes. But you must also remember that each year has got 2 exams. We are writing in June, we are writing in December. Ne? Yes. It means there are 2 papers a year. Over 5 years, how many papers? 10 papers. Right? Yes. And in experts analyzing these question papers, they will tell you that each and every paper, 80% of the questions in the question paper, they come from the previous 5-year question papers. And it means if you have thoroughly practiced using these papers, when you get there, there will be no problem. You won't have a challenge. And based on this, you will be understanding that even if you are practicing, you see, when you practice, give me any subject that you are doing. Physics. Give me a topic that you have covered in term 1. Newton laws. You are studying Newton laws. When you are practicing, you are going to go back to these question papers. Ne? You don't answer the entire paper. You will only take the questions based on the Newton laws. You take them out. Then you sit down and you practice. And as you practice, you'll find that another paper has asked the same content but differently. Another question paper has asked the same content but differently. So the difference is here in terms of the action verbs. What is expected of you? Do you understand? Yes. So it is important to use this booklet. Another thing that you will find in this booklet is how you tackle different types of questions, starting from the questions that you think they are easy, like true or false, multiple choice, matching, all those are here. Also, how to tackle questions like essay type questions, how you introduce your essay, how you present your essay, how you conclude your essay. Because introduction and your conclusion also has got its own marks. So it's important that you do that. It will also assist you on how to answer source-based questions. Source-based questions are the questions that are based on something that is given. It could be a picture, it could be a graph, it could be a cartoon, it could be an extract. All those, we call them source-based questions. So it is therefore important that when we do that, we always consult this booklet. Whenever you are practicing, this booklet becomes so handy and helpful to you so that you can score what we want to score. Sezwan? Yes. What is your past percentage? 100%. 100% ke usho ukuthi wonke umuntu uyacontribute 100% again? Yes. So ngicela unike i-task umuntu olova. Khona umuntu olova. Makhona umuntu olovile. Mlandeli. Ngoba nomuntu akahambanga nje yedwa, uhambe nani no-100% wenu. Nimjimane mlanda nisho ukuthi asilandile wena silande 100% wethu. Umuntu ongawa attend ama-extra classes akalandwe. Ngoba wena njani ubaleka no 100% Wait. You understand? Who tell DG? Be your sister's keeper, be your brother's keeper. So masilana we don't compete. We complement each other. Masibhale i-test, omunye wathola 20%, omunye wathola 80%. Fanele sikhathaze ukuthi lo othola 20% yini le angayi-understand fanele alekelelwe. Nabo wena othola 20% khathazeka ngo-20% wakho. Ukuthi njengoba ngithola 20%, abanye bethola 80%. Yini le mina engihlulayo abafowethu nodadewethu fanele bangilekelele yona. Sizwana? We are not competing, but we are complementing each other because we all want to get this 100% back. To get me? Yes. So it is important that we work as a team. It's only a teamwork that will get us there. All of us. So, tell me, what is a slogan in this school that keeps you going? What must I show this?
Rise and shine.
Rise and shine. And so what?
Rise and shine.
And Peter?
Rise and shine.
Mangiti rise uti shine. Rise.
Shine.
Rise.
Shine.
Shine.
Rise.
Shine.
Rise.
Look and I want to rise and shine. Rise and shine. It's broken. When you sing together in it, let me sing it.
Yes.
Rise.
Shine.
Rise.
Shine.
Shine.
Rise.
Good. When you spend your love. Extending. Now you want me kid. Every day, extend man get into class in Italy. Before the first teacher comes in, there's a journey. Rise. Shine. Rise. Shine. Shine.
Rise.
Shine.
Rise.
We are going to rise. We are going to shine. So that we can get this 100%. Yes, how this block and test this week. For this.
Yes.
That's the difference. The chocolate and the 100%. Block and sign lesson. Ask us to show me.
100% here we come.
Yes.
100% here we come. Yes, we can.
Uzosheshe usheshe district. Sezwana?
Yes.
Mangithi 100% uzothini na? Here we come. Mangithi here we come uzothini?
Yes, we can.
100%.
Here we come.
100%.
Here we come.
Yes, we can. 100%.
Here we come.
100%.
Here we come.
Here we come.
Yes, we can.
Here we come.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
Here we come.
Kwenye indawo bathi abantu base-KZN abasiyeke ngoba le performance yabo i-view once. That's the leader.
2027.
See, there, ngoba mina ngithi ngo-2027 siyabuka. Ithembeni yake njalo. Angithi? Ngo-2027 senjani?
Siyabuya.
Mase sibuya-ke, we want to smash the record of the class of 2025. Sifuna ukwenza njani? We are smashing it. And ngoba thina sobe sesinjani? Sinyusa levels. We are smashing the record of the class of 2025. One promise we are going to smash the record of the class of 2024, and they did that. I want to tell you, we are going to smash the record of the class of 89.7. To smash. To smash. if isingabonakali egayiswe imoto. Yenza la funa siyenze njalo record labanye ya class of 2024. Ngoba sothola 100% pass. 100% bachelor pass and distinction. Yabona laba u3 must have la. Agcini ke lapho zokusungithasisela ngala owathandayo ke wena wakho ukuthi nje life sciences, uthi physics, uthi mathematics, tech science, guys are down, and many more. What about implementing lama 5 nuggets? If you implemented these 5 nuggets, I'm telling you, you are going to get there. Lana is a good copies. Our own action verbs now. When I want you are going to do, you are going to take these action verbs, you paste them at the back of the exercise book that you use when you are practicing. Every time. You should not try to do the homework. Multiple command with the journey, we are check action. When this command comes, what is my action? When this command comes, what is my action? If you don't want to introduce that, the commitment here to as a head office. That's it, all districts, all learners in KZ, and no one must be left behind. See, target level 7. Says what? What is our target?
Level 7.
Should we fall? Should we fall?
Level 5.
Must we have 5 in?
Yeah.
Level 5. I think those are 24. You have done 5 in? Yeah. You should have this. I would tell you the angry for the land of man. See, the land of 7. That's bese sithi masiphakamisa u7 ke sithi siphakamisa inamba. Bese sithi ke ubani obengathi sitshela ke laba ababethena uv1. Siyababuza ukuthi bazosithinda yini. Bese sithi lento esikuyona ifana nemi. Empini ke zimbili izinto, it's either you do or you die. Sezwana? Ngiyakhohlola abantu ngebuya sesandwana. Esandwana uZulu wanqobe ngaphetheni ukuthi wayephethe nje how nomkhodo. Amangise ephetheni iba kodwa wanqoba. Yini yabenza banqoba? It is the spirit of no surrender. The same spirit I want in you until you write your last page. Ngiyazi kuyabanda ngendaba. Uthe udiji ama nuggets swa implementa nini swayeke ebusika? No, ebusika swayeke. Kune operation ke ngikutshela mawulana awuthi mawuvuka uthi kanje ingubo. Indlebe yakho mengezwe amakhaza njani? Nomuthi ake ngizwe ukuthi kunjani abantu ukhipha unyawo zokuyisa ungathi ufuna si operate ngenye operation yokuvuka ekseni ebusika. Ekuthiwa operation khakelingu. Yabala uthi 1 2 awuthi 3 kodwa wena wonke usuyavuka ubeka nani namanagets sezwana yini kama le operation operation khakelingu biyana zosilekelela ngifuma Edlangani bekhona idlangane nemandezizwe. Ngakizwa sima ngibatshela ukuthi ngiza la athayi nemuzo sikhonzela. Abekhonza ke bathe ngize ngisho ukuthi ingoma ayizo nami. Bathe aniphethe ingoma ifona. Semansuka emzinyathi eGreat Town bangukuthi zobe ngumvuzo ngathi ngeherikwana bathi uzobatshela ukuthi ingoma yikho ngalapho ingabe enhlanenzo angazi sizobona ke kodwa sikhona ngempela yini lana ke sithi siphakamisa u7 siphakamisa inombolo ubani obengathila thina bese sithi le yipi yamasosha yipi yasesandlwane ubani obengathila thina
Pano yetu.
Yazi umasitulile. Abanye bangakhohlwa, mhlawumbe sebekhohlwe ukuthi ubani okhulumayo, angithi? Ukuthi ngiyakukhohlwa ukuthi sinjani? Ulile. Futhi ngiyakukhohlwa ukuthi ingoma yathi lithi senzani? Siphakamisele. The moment ukhumbula leyo nto, uzokhumbula ukuthi konje ama-targets angubani? Level 7. Ukuze ufike ku-level 7 ufuna ini? Ama-nuggets to get there. Yabona leyo nto? So I wish you all the best for the class of 2026. I can't wait. Beginning of the year in 2026, when we have smashed the record, when we have upped the levels. Yes. Since I've only few ones. Siyona le nto yokuphasa le KZN, siyona. Yayizo thini? Siyona. Futhi asiphasi nje, sinyusa ama-levels. Asiphasi ngo-30%. Thina silabo abaphasa ngamabhajethi. Yayibona? So, thank you so much, Teacher Mkhulu. I can't wait for your results. Let us not give up on our future. Ne? Yes. This is your future. Don't give up on it. Don't give up. That spirit of no surrender. No, I can't afford to give up on my life. Let's keep on keeping on. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Chief Director. Thank you, Dingeka, Grade 12. Ukhona osalayo kulo nyaka? Ufuna ama-exam 2027? Ngawukuthi simzwile uChief Director, ubhekene no-teaching and learning, ubhekene nokuphasa kwethu, ukungaphasi kwethu uyalimala yena. Ingakho elandela esiya kuzona zonke izikole. Idingeka for the first time in 2026 is gonna smash the what? The record in 2025. And the more you sleep, is the more the future is sitting. Now. Yes. The more you sleep, I want to tell you something. This morning, our meeting started at 5 o'clock. Some people were driving from Devon. They left at 2. Our meeting, the meeting here at 5 o'clock, we got a presentation. So Nati asizimisele ngokuthi we don't want to sleep on our future. And yes. And if you are doing grade 12, don't sleep before the grade you don't sleep before 12. I will start in Lindy. Chief Director, we won't let you down, Chief Director. We won't let you down. Thank you very much. Thank you so good.
Second.
isho lithi idingela inentando, idingela inunkulunkulu wayo noma abethusa uthanda kangakanani ukuthi bekhona izinto ezimbi ezenzeka edingela thina ngoba asinawo amandla okuzilwela kodwa uNkulunkulu wethu uyasilwela. Ngisho nje ngalawo mazwi bantu abami ngithi iy'nkulumo ezibekhona namhlanje ngicabanga ukuthi ngizozithatha ngiyisebenzise ngendlela abaholi bethu bezemfundo abanitshele ngazo. Akulalwa matric, asiye emagidini, asiye emshadweni, asiye emngcwabeni, unless makuyisihlobo sakho hayi ugogo izalo ugogo izalo. So angazi angazi nawe baba ukhumala ukuthi ithini into yothisha ngoba into ezoshaya ngesidlala ukudla esingenako.